Okay, can you read this for me?
Today you will learn how to identify place value to hundreds, how to write 3-digit numbers in expanded form.
Okay, so here I have 3 bills. Are all these bills the same?
No.
Which one's worth the least? Okay. And he pointed to the $1 bill. Okay, which one is worth the most? He pointed to the $100 bill. Okay, now I want you to list the bills in order from the one that's worth the most to the one that's worth the least. Okay, so he has the 100, the 10, and then the 1. Okay? Alright, now we're going to look at our place value chart. Okay. Place value chart. Okay, I would like to give you $263. What bills am I going to use?
The 100, 10s, and 1s.
Okay, so what's the place value of the 2?
100.
Okay, so write your 2 under the hundreds. What's the place value of the 6?
10s.
Okay, so write that under the 10s. And what's the place value of the 3?
1s.
Good, so write 3. Okay, so what are the $100 bills worth under the hundreds column?
100.
Each, and you have 2 of them, so
200.
they're worth 200. Okay, so then what are the $10 bills worth?
60.
Good. And then what are the $1 bills worth?
3.
Okay, so 263 is 200 plus 60 plus 3. So now we're going to look at the expanded form chart. There we go. Okay, so I want you to write in the hundreds place 2, because you have 200, so 200. We have 6 of the 10s, so write 60. And then in the ones category, we have 3. So whenever we write it in expanded, we write 260 equals 200 plus 60 plus 3 equals 263. Okay? And now we're going to do the expanded chart for 3 more figures. So for $467, I want you to write that in expanded form. Can you talk me through it as you go?
Be 400 plus 60 plus 7.
Okay. And then next is $705.
Would be 700. Then plus 0. Then plus 5.
Good. And then the last one is $890.
890. Then 0.
Yes. Okay. Show them here. Okay. Okay. Close your eyes. And I have a stack. I'm going to put a stack of bills in a pile. And then I'm going to give you clues, and we're going to see if you can guess how much money is in the pile. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, open your eyes. I have 3 10s, 4 100s, and the rest are 1s. So there's 8 bills altogether, so how much money do I have? So I'll repeat the clues. I have 3 10s, 4 100s, and the rest are 1s. There's 8 bills altogether. 3 10s, 4 100s, and the rest are 1s.
830.
There's 4 hundreds,
430.
3 tens, and the rest are ones. So 3 and 4, 7, and there's 8 bills.
431.
Good. So how much money do I have?
$431.
Okay, and then how can we find out how much money this is altogether?
Count it.
Okay, can you count the money for me?
100, 200, 300, 400,
Okay, just count it.
410, 420, 430, 431.
Good. Okay, now we're going to look at the place value chart. Just like this, and we're going to fill it in. Okay, so under the hundreds, how many hundreds did we have?
4.
Okay, so at 4. Under the tens, how many did we have?
3.
Okay. And then under the ones, how many did we have?
1.
Good. Okay. So what is the place value of the digit 3?
10s.
Good. What's the place value of the digit 1?
1s.
Good. And then what's the value of digit 4?
400.
Good. Okay. And so then what's the value for digit 3?
30.
And then the value of digit 1?
$1.
Good. So I'm going to go here, and we're going to write it in expanded form. So I want you to transfer over. How many hundreds did we have?
4. So it'd be 400.
No, just write 4 here. Copy it just like this. So 4, 3, 1, and then we'll make it 400 down there. So there's 4 hundreds, 3 tens, and 1 1. So like this, and now we're going to transfer it down to expanded form. So $431 equals
400 plus 30 plus 1.
Excellent. And then we have that. Okay. Okay, now you're going to have the chance to practice identifying place value and writing numbers in expanded forms. So I'm going to give you another blank chart, just like this. Alright, I have 4 $1 bills, 7 $100 bills, and 2 $10 bills. Okay, so now I want you to write it on your place value chart. So under the place value chart, I have 4 $1 bills, 7 $100 bills, and 2 $10 bills. Okay, so how much money do I have?
$724.
Okay, what's the place value of digit 7?
Hundreds.
So
700.
700. Okay, what's the place value of digit 2?
10, so it would be 20.
Good, and then the place value of digit 4, sorry.
$4.
Okay, now I want you to write it in expanded form underneath it. So $724 equals
700 plus 20 plus 4.
Okay. Okay. All right. Then I'm going to our last chart, blank chart. Okay, I want you to write these numbers on place value chart G. Okay. Oops, I was supposed to do this first. So I'm going to write 260 on the place value chart like this. 260. Okay. Which digit is in the ones place?
0.
Which digit is in the tens place?
6.
Which digit is in the hundreds place?
2.
So what is the value of 2?
200.
What's the value of 6?
60.
And then what's the value of 0?
0.
Okay, can you write it in an expanded form?
260 equals 200 plus 60 plus 0.
Okay. You identified it correctly. Okay, so now we have this $285. I want you to look at the number and circle the digit that's in the 100s place. Okay, what digit did you circle?
2.
Good. Alright, that's the end of our lesson. So is there anything you would like to share about what you learned in math today?
How to identify place values
Very
and
good.
counting money.